This is a demonstration on how to install a DashCam adapter in your car. This particular demonstration is on a 2021 Mazda CX-5 using the 4-pin DashCam adapter available on our website. The process is basically the same for all cars. Before proceeding, ensure that the ignition is in the off position. First, slide off the black plastic casing behind the rear vision mirror. There are 4 clips holding the casing. Simply press inwards with 2 hands and slide the casing away to open it. To access the rain sensor, we also need to remove the housing on the driver's side. The black box on the upper right is the rain sensor. To make it easier to access the power connector, angle the rear view mirror all the way down. This is the rain sensor's power connector. Push the tab of the connector upwards and pull to unplug the cable from the sensor. Plug the power cable into the male end of the 4-pin DashCam adapter first. Then plug the female end of the adapter into the rain sensor. Tuck the cable away for a neat installation. Now take the USB end and plug in the short USB cable provided with your DashCam adapter. Slide the driver's side plastic casing back on and tuck the USB cable inside it. Clip the mirror clip back on. Slide the black casing back on. Take care not to squash or trap any cables. Now it's time to install your DashCam. Plug the USB cable into your DashCam and enjoy a neat, tidy, cable-free cabin.